Kris Aquino, may hanas sa mga ibinebentang bags ni Kim Chiu. Wish ng fan ay interviewin ang Kim Pao. Pinush ni Kris Aquino ang issue ng trust sa comment section ng post ni Kim sa Instagram. Anyway, nag-share si Kim sa Instagram ng progress ng kanyang business at ipinakita ang kanyang bagong partner sa negosyo na taga Thailand. Bahagi ng post ni Kim, "Thank you, Mink, for your trust, guidance. I feel truly blessed to have known Mink for a few years now. And even more, honored to know her deeper, not just as a businesswoman, but as a genuinely great person. Someone I truly look up to for her strength and for what she represents in women empowerment. One step today, 1,000 miles tomorrow. P.S. I think this will be my new motto in life." Nag-comment si Kris sa Instagram post na yon ni Kim Chiu. Say ni Kris, "Mutual respect, just like trust, is earned when it's reciprocal. This business venture is something I find to be a perfect match for those of us na gustong dala ang buong bahay. Pwedeng mag-request ng different sizes of mix and match pouches for a large travel bag. I saw the bags during your Cebu pop-up and I said, gamot ko palang hindi nakasya. The colors were so happy and the quality was excellent. I love you forever. See you soon." Mas nalab lalo ng followers ni Kim si Kris. "We love you, Miss Kris. Always praying for you. Wish to see you both in a sit-down interview bonus if with Paolo. Thank you, Miss Kris, for always loving Kimi. We love you. Love, love, love." Anyway, tila miss na nga ni Chrissy si Kimi at so proud siya sa dalaga na nagagawa pang magnegosyo kahit super tight ng schedule nito na araw-araw ay may ganap. Humahanga din si Kris kay Chinita Princess sa pagiging dedicated sa trabaho at ganon din sa negosyo na napapagsabay niya talaga. Well, sana nga soon ay ma-interview ni Tetay ang Kim Pao na request talaga ng Kim Pao fans. Mapagbigyan kaya ni Kris ang hiling ng solid Kim Pao fan eh? For sure naman, magaganap yan kapag umere na ulit si Miss Chrissy sa kanyang magiging talk show or podcast. Kaya abang-abang tayo dahil baka si Miss Chrissy na makakapagpaamin sa Kim Pao sa kanilang totoong estado ng relasyon. Gusto nyo ba yon? Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.